Oh, he thinks my Roomba is his toy. Like, dude, let it go. It's not even come out of this square because he won't let it go. He is being so funny. He thinks it's his toy. Look at Zoe looking at him like, you're crazy. What's wrong with you? Let it go. He's like, you're not going to catch it? Zoe, what's he doing? Leave it, please. Diesel, let it go. Would you let it work? Would you let my baby work? It's got a job to do. I probably shouldn't laugh, but I can't help it. It's so funny. It hasn't left this little square because of you. You need to go. I'm going to have to lock you in the bedroom. I'm going to hold you for a minute. Now, can you just let it go? He's like, no, let me down. I want to go get it. Dude, you're going to get hurt. Leave it alone. Would you leave it alone, please? All right, time for the toys. Come here. I'll get you a toy. Come here, boy. Here. See if this distracts you. Come on. Come get this instead. No? You can't decide. Come on, come get this instead. Good boy. Good distraction. Come on. Let me play with you with this. Come on. Good boy. Come on. Leave it be. Come on. Come get this. Come get this. Leave it be.